Welcome back. Now the Gutenberg editor will allow you to use image-based embed codes from cloud-based sites. And to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the add block area. In this case, we're going to take a look in the embed section. When we do that, we're going to then look through all of the embeds to see which other cloud-based services that we might use. One cloud-based image service is called Imgur. You can click this box, and you'll notice then that all that's required is your Imgur URL. And in this case, all you'll need to do is you'll need to get the link, which is typically going to be a share link. You'll click copy, and then you'll head back to your Gutenberg editor. And then, just as you have in any other case, you'll place that link inside of the dialog box, and then you'll click embed, and then you'll have that image available to you. And of course, you'll have the same controls as you have in other embeds. Now in this case, we're going to go ahead and remove this block. And we're going to go back to the add block code. This time we're going to type in Flickr. And we're just going to go to the Flickr inbox. And then, as was the case elsewhere, you're going to need your Flickr URL. So we're going to head over to Flickr to get it. Now, provided that you do have the appropriate rights to use the image, that you'll need to make sure in your Flickr policies. You'll then need to click on the image. You'll typically have a share link. The share link will be here. You'll then highlight that share link. Then you'll head back to your Gutenberg editor. And then you'll place that link inside of your WordPress installation. And then you'll click embed. This will embed the image. You'll then have access to all of the other features. And as was the case in other embeds, you will be able to resize for smaller devices. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.